In this video, I will show you how to add a clickable WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio. It's a simple trick that can help you connect with your audience more directly. First, go to Instagram, then click on your profile. Now, click on Edit Profile. Scroll down a little bit, you will see Add Link option. Click on it. Click on Add External Link. As you can see, we have two options now, URL and title. First, you need to write down your URL link and then title. Now I'm typing here wa.me/my number. You must need to add your country code but without plus sign. Then write WhatsApp in title. Click on save. As you can see, our WhatsApp number has already linked with Instagram account. Now, if you go back to your profile and click on add link again, you can remove your link if you want. As you can see in my bio, already showing WhatsApp link. Now, anyone if click on your link will redirect to your WhatsApp number. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.